Howdy, hope everyone's doing well. I've been speaking to a lot of clients, family, friends around how important it is that we really grow the skills that AI can't replace. And you're probably thinking, what skills? There's a lot. But the key ones that I've been, and I'm literally at a client's office at the moment, been speaking about are connection, communication, and EQ, emotional intelligence. AI can help us think, but it can't help us feel, and we need to bring in these human skills more than ever. So I want to just give you a few tips today on communication. You know, we do, as you know, work with thousands of leaders globally on leadership, but leadership is the byproduct of a plethora of skills and traits, including communication. So communication is a response that you get. If you're not getting the response that you want, then you, the communicator, need to shape and shift your message until you do. Changing tone, changing the mode. A really good question to ask your team and know for yourself is, what is your preferred communication style? Is it email? Is it WhatsApp? Is it phone? Whatever it is, find out what people's preference is and use that where you can. We need to connect. We need to have these human-centered conversations. You know, all these different platforms can become cold without feeling and can become overwhelming. The other thing with communication, apart from knowing people around you's communication style, is really take the time to get to know people on a human level. You know, I'm guilty of it. We only have so many hours in a day and there's so many things we need to talk about. But just knowing something on a personal level, especially if you're a leader, about your team, you know, what lights them up? What's their strength? What's their passion out of work? Things like that. And it's so important to find these things out. Relationship building is not talked about enough. And the best way to build deep and meaningful relationships and interactions is to take the time to be human. Take the time to be present and take the time to know those around you. If you or your team are looking for support in really upskilling in the human skills that AI will not be replacing, please feel free to reach out. We run workshops on this and we have for many, many years, one-on-one exec coaching. And yeah, I'd love your thoughts on this video and, you know, any tips you've got around EQ, connection, or communication that you can share that will benefit others.